Our next topic is the parent's right to know. And in accordance with the Elementary and Secondary Education Act, the parent's right to know states that you have the right to request and receive information in a timely manner regarding the professional qualifications of your student's classroom teacher. This information regarding the professional qualifications of your classroom teacher shall include if the teacher has met state qualifications and licensing criteria for that grade level and subject area taught, if the teacher is teaching under an emergency or temporary status, which in Indiana qualifications and licensing criteria are waived, if the teacher's baccalaureate degree, major, or graduate certification in field of discipline, and whether the student is provided services by paraprofessionals, and if so, what their qualifications are as well. So it's a right to know about the people teaching your students. How you can be involved at Burris Laboratory School. This year has looked so different than years past. Years past we've welcomed parents in, and unfortunately right now we cannot. So how to be involved. Come to parent-teacher conferences. I don't know if they're going to be virtual or in person or a combination, but when your child's teacher reaches out to you, attend those meetings. Go and ask, virtually, ask questions, find out how your student is doing. If there are school activities, if we are able to start doing that, come to those. The PTSO is having all of their meetings currently virtually. You can get in touch with them and join the PTSO. How you can be involved at home. Read with your child. Check their homework. Talk about what's happening at school, the good, the bad, the funny. It doesn't just have to be, if there was a discipline issue, what happened today? Who'd you talk to at lunch? Just things throughout their day. Ensure that your child gets enough sleep. Ensure that they eat a healthy breakfast at home or at school. Make sure that they've got lunch. And you can sign the Parent School Compact, which is on the Burris website. And I'm going to try to link to this as well. But what it says is that we as a staff, we pledge to make it a safe learning environment, that we will teach classes that are interesting and challenging curriculum, promote their achievement, motivate them to learn, set high expectations, and help every child succeed. Meet frequently and annually with families about their progress, so those parent-teacher conferences, reaching out to you when needed. Provide opportunities to participate for parents to be involved. We will go to professional development to improve our teaching. Participate in collaborative decision-making with all of those involved, and respect school staff and families. And then we ask that the students pledge to come to school ready to learn, ready to work, bringing necessary materials, knowing the school rules and following them, communicating with all of you about what they're doing in school, the good, the bad, the funny. Limit their screen time, which I know is really difficult because we're all using screens in this virtual world right now. But limiting that game playing, some of that more extracurricular stuff. Reading for fun and to read, to study, to respect the school and their classmates and teachers. And then as a family, we ask that you provide a quiet time and place for them to do their work. Encourage them to read every day. Encourage them to get up and move and be active. Ensuring that your child attends school every day, gets sleep, gets the regular medical attention and nutrition that they need. Ask that you monitor their school progress and that you participate in their education as you are able. Attend those parent-teacher conferences and communicate with your child's teacher. And that is the parent.